Have you ever wondered why some women lose weight effortlessly while others struggle with every pound? The truth is, most diets fail because they ignore what really controls weight loss: metabolism and hormones. And the worst part, many women think the problem is them, when in reality, the right foods could change everything. Forget about extreme diets and miracle solutions. The key is understanding which nutrients trigger fat burning, balance hormones, and make your body work in your favor. And the best part? No starvation, no exhausting workouts. Today, you'll discover the essential foods that can transform your metabolism and help you lose weight for good. Get ready. This information could change everything. Grass-fed meat for metabolic health. Not all meat is created equal, and this could be silently sabotaging your metabolism. Conventional meat is packed with growth hormones, antibiotics, and obesogens, which can lead to insulin resistance and inflammation, two major obstacles to fat burning. On the other hand, grass-fed meat is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Think of it like fueling your body with premium gas versus low-quality fuel. When your body gets the right nutrients, it responds quickly. Many women who switch to grass-fed meat notice improvements beyond just weight loss: better digestion, more energy, and reduced bloating. And if cost is a concern, buying directly from local farmers or in bulk can make it more affordable. Making smart food swaps like this can unlock your metabolism and help your body burn fat efficiently. Speaking of smart choices, there's one naturally sweet food that supports hormonal balance without sabotaging weight loss. Sweet potatoes for hormonal balance. Believe it or not all carbs are bad for weight loss. Sweet potatoes are a perfect example. Despite their sweetness, they have a lower glycemic index than white potatoes, meaning they release energy gradually and don't cause insulin spikes. Even better, they help produce progesterone, a key hormone for hormonal balance, especially post-menopause. And if you really want to boost your gut health, go for purple sweet potatoes, which help diversify the gut microbiome, improving digestion and metabolism. Adding sweet potatoes to your diet is incredibly easy. Bake them, mash them, turn them into crispy chips, or pair them with protein for an even bigger metabolic boost. Try roasted sweet potatoes with shredded chicken or scrambled eggs for a satisfying and nutritious meal. Simple food choices like this can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. But speaking of metabolism boosters, there's one ingredient that can increase fat burning and reduce appetite naturally. MCT oil for fat burning and appetite control. If there were a shortcut to speeding up metabolism and controlling hunger at the same time, it would be MCT oil. Extracted from coconuts, this oil goes straight to the liver, where it is converted into energy instead of being stored as fat. Studies show that just 1 to 2 tablespoons per day can boost fat burning by 5%, making weight loss easier without extra effort. Even better, unlike other oils, MCT oil doesn't spike blood sugar, preventing cravings and energy crashes. Many people notice a difference within days of adding MCT oil to their diet. Less hunger, more energy, and an easier time entering ketosis, the state where the body burns fat for fuel. The best ways to use it: blend it into bulletproof coffee, add it to protein shakes, or drizzle it over salads to enhance your fat burning potential. Small changes like this can flip the metabolic switch and get your body into fat burning mode effortlessly. And speaking of flipping the switch, understanding this next concept is what separates successful weight loss from endless yo-yo dieting. Metabolic switch concept. Most people believe that weight loss is just about eating less and moving more, but that's not the whole story. Your body has a metabolic switch, and if it's stuck in sugar burning mode, you'll constantly feel hungry, tired, and struggle to burn fat. The key to real weight loss is training your body to switch to fat burning mode, where it starts using stored fat as its primary energy source. This happens naturally through strategic fasting or by eating foods that promote ketosis, like MCT oil, grass-fed meat, and protein-rich meals. Think of it like teaching your body to be more efficient. Rather than depending on short bursts of sugar for energy, it learns to access its fat reserves. This explains why some people can go hours without eating, while others feel the need to snack constantly. When metabolism is optimized, energy stays stable, and fat burning happens continuously, without suffering. But for this process to be even more effective, you need one key nutrient that supercharges metabolism and preserves muscle mass. Protein intake for muscle and metabolism. One of the biggest mistakes women make when trying to lose weight is not eating enough protein. This macronutrient not only builds muscle, but also boosts fat burning naturally. Studies show that consuming at least 30 grams of protein per meal significantly increases calorie burn after eating, making the metabolism work more efficiently. And here's the key point: the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. So it's not just about losing weight, it's about turning your body into a fat-burning machine. The quality of protein matters too. Prioritizing grass-fed meat, free-range eggs, wild-caught fish, and high-quality whey protein can enhance weight loss results. And no, eating more protein won't make you bulky. Instead, it helps with toning, tightening the skin, and preventing sagging after weight loss. But even if you get your protein intake right, falling into the trap of extreme deprivation can ruin your progress. Misconception about deprivation. The idea that weight loss equals starvation is one of the biggest myths out there, and it might be the reason many women struggle to see results. The body doesn't like extremes. When calorie intake drops too low, the metabolism slows down as a survival mechanism, making fat burning harder. That's why many women start a restrictive diet, lose weight initially, then hit a plateau and gain it all back. The key to sustainable weight loss is not deprivation, but choosing the right foods that optimize metabolism and hormones. Instead of starving, the smartest approach is to fuel the body properly so that weight loss happens naturally. This means prioritizing protein, anti-inflammatory foods like MCT oil and grass-fed meat, and complex carbs like sweet potatoes to keep hormones balanced. When eating is done strategically, the body starts responding naturally. Less hunger, fewer cravings, and stable energy levels. Now that you know which foods boost metabolism, balance hormones, and turn fat burning into a natural process, the real question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Will you keep struggling with the same old diets? Or will you finally give your body what it needs to lose weight effortlessly? The choice is yours. And I want to hear from you. Which of these foods do you already eat? And which one will you start adding to your diet? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. Keep learning and take control of your weight loss journey today.